Well, your boyfriend said that he'll get us the money. So we're not gonna let you go until your boyfriend gets us the money. And he owes us a lot of money. A ridiculously a lot of money. So I hope he gets the money soon, or else you're gonna stay here for a long time. How much money does your boyfriend owe us? He owes us so much money. A crazy amount, to be exact. I don't even know if he can pay it off. I don't know where he's gonna get the money from. You might have to be stuck here with me forever. He owes us too much, sweetie. I think you're gonna be mine forever. He owes us exactly $17 billion. I know. He might not pay it off, but you're worth every single penny. I see you looking at the door, okay? You're not gonna try to escape, you're not gonna leave. I got 2 men out there guarding the door. No one's going in and no one's going out. Alright? And I told you that you're not leaving. You are absolutely not leaving until your boyfriend pays every single penny. Alright? Do you hear me? Every single penny. Alright? So you're stuck with me until he pays off his debt. Do you understand? Good. I'm glad you understand. And as you can see, I am the type of person that you shouldn't really mess with. And your boyfriend messed with the wrong guy. Him and his little gang really messed up this time. And hopefully he can pay me back with the money. Or else I'll hurt him. Don't worry, sweetie, I'm not gonna hurt you. And I can never hurt anything so beautiful. And so gorgeous. So you're in good hands with me. I hope you understand that. I mean, your boyfriend's taking a long time with the money. Maybe he just doesn't care about you. No, don't be sad. He was a loser in a ways. You're way too good for him. He had a gambling problem, a drug problem. You deserve a better man. I mean, you deserve a real man. Not a little boy like him. Trust me, if you were my girl, the things that I would do to you, you have no idea. No, I see you're warming up to me now. That's good. I'm glad. Don't worry, sweetheart. I would never let anything happen to you. And I don't see what you see in your boyfriend. He put you in this weird situation and he couldn't protect you. But me, I can protect you. I can protect you with my life. I don't think you understand how lovely and precious you are. You are the most precious thing in the world. You're the most beautiful thing in the world in every single way possible. And everything that you do is just so amazing. I can sit here and stare at you all day. I got a bed upstairs. How about me and you both go up there and we'll cuddle for a bit? How does that sound? Yeah? You can lay into my arms. Would you like that? Of course you would. You're so lovely in every way. I'm so happy to be with you. I love your eyes and your lips. Your beautiful, gorgeous lips that I love so much. I love kissing your lips. I can kiss them all day long. Your lips are so perfect in every way. I can spend a lifetime just kissing you on your lips. And I love looking at your hair, especially when the wind blows against your hair. How nice and flowy and soft your hair looks. It's so perfect, just like you. And that beautiful face of yours. It's so perfect. So beautiful. I fall in love over and over again every time I see you. Everything about you is so lovely. Your neck, your gorgeous neck that I love to wrap my hands around from time to time. Yeah, just like that. And you have such a sexy, sexy collarbone. I really like your collarbone for some odd reason. I guess I'm just a little bit weird like that. And your stomach. I just love your stomach. It's so beautiful. So soft, so smooth. I love rubbing it. It's like my favorite thing to do. I just love rubbing your belly. Just like that. Especially when you're on your period and you need your belly rub. I like how it makes you feel better. Don't you love it when I rub your belly? Of course you do. You love it, don't you? You're so cute. And you know what I want, baby? I want to have a baby with you. I think we should have kids. Yeah. No, I think we would have the cutest kids ever. Maybe just 2 babies. What do you say, huh? Of course I want a baby with you. You're my love of my life. You're my baby. Come on, sweetie, have a baby with me, please. Pretty, please just have a baby with me. I really, really want a baby with you, really bad. Come on. Please, just 1 baby. Maybe 2 babies. They'll be so cute. They'll be the cutest thing ever. Oh, you're so cute, sweetheart. And your legs. I just love your legs. You got the most kissable legs ever. I just love running my fingers up and down your legs. Just like that. Do you like that? No, of course you do. You love that, don't you? You're just so cute. I know this might be a little bit weird, but I'm kinda into your feet. I like your feet, you know. It's cute. It's adorable. Just like you. They're so soft and so tiny, and I love your little toes. That's why I love massaging them. I don't have a feet fetish, but with you, I think I can have one. In your body, I really, really love your body. It's so perfect and beautiful in every single way. You're so gorgeous. I love kissing your body. I love touching your body. I love cuddling with you. You're just so perfect. You're like a goddess. You're my little princess, you know that? And I love you so, so much. I don't think you understand how perfect you are. I love you so much, my sweet baby. You mean the world to me. Just everything about you is just so beautiful. I love you so much. You really do mean the world to me. I don't deserve you, but I'm so lucky to have you. My beautiful princess. You're just so perfect. You're just so amazing. God, I love you so much. I love you so much, sweetheart. And I love keeping you warm in my arms, cuddling next to you, holding you, making you feel safe in my arms. Because I would protect you from anything. No one would ever hurt my baby. And I love you so much. I would protect you with my life. I don't think you understand how precious you are to me. You're so precious, my beautiful baby.